Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply open the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on this square icon right here. So let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously visited and opened apps. If you'd like to turn off only one of it, then you can tap on this X button on it, or you can swipe it to the right or to the left. It's up to you. But if you'd like to close all of them, all you have to do is simply go to the very top of it, so just scroll it and tap on clear all in the right upper corner. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's enter the recents and check. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.